Hey guys, Retro Badger here. So in this video, I'm going to try and take on a Devore warship with a Tal Shiar upgraded Romulan bird of prey. Now the standard one, I don't think will cut it. So let's use the Tal Shiar one. Now we're going to have to use our Romulan sneak and cunning here, otherwise this won't work. Oh, no! Ooh, oh! The Centurion is dead. Hey! Wow, their shields really took that well, didn't they? We're going to have some trouble here. Right, let's load debris into the torpedo tubes.
Ready to initiate area scan, sir.
And the Centurion. Okay, here we go. Ooh, wow.
Our left shield has collapsed.
Now those Devore warships are insanely powerful. It's a good job they can't see us. Gotta hand it to the Romulans. Oh, don't get me started on the last episode of Strange New Worlds. In fact, I'm going to be making a video about that in the next few days. So much happened in it, I feel like we need to talk about it. Okay. Am I close enough? Am I close enough? Oh! Oh dear. Our sensors have gone. It's over.
Captain, we're on a collision course.
Time's up. No, I have to give that to the Devore. I've tried this a few times and I get the same result. Well, thanks for watching, guys.
The ship is
Bye for now.
ending.